the Pup.
And today we're learning all our letters, A through Z.
Are you ready? A is for apple. Can you say A? Great job. B is for ball. Say B. Brilliant. C is for cat. Meow, meow. Say C. Perfect. D is for dog. Like me. Woof, woof. Say D. Awesome. E is for elephant. Say E. Excellent. F is for fish. Say F. Fantastic. G is for giraffe. Say G. Great. H is for hat. Say H. High five. I is for ice cream. Say I. Incredible. J is for jump. Say J. Just right. K is for kite. Say K. Cool with a K. L is for lion. Say L. Loud and proud. M is for monkey. Say M. Marvelous. N is for no. Say N. Nice job. O is for orange. Say O. Outstanding. P is for penguin. Say P. Perfect. Q is for queen. Say Q. Quite good. R is for rainbow. Say R. Remarkable. S is for soup. Say S. Super. T is for tiger. Say T. Terrific. U is for umbrella. Say U. Unbelievable. V is for violin. Say V. Very good. W is for whale. Say W. Wonderful. X is for X-ray. Say X. Excellent. Y is for yo-yo. Say Y. Yes, you did it. Z is for zebra. Say Z. Zippity zap. Wow, friends, you did it. You learned the whole alphabet A to Z. Give yourselves a big cheer. Yay! Thanks for learning with me today. Until next time, keep barking up the alphabet. Woof, woof.
Can you count, clap, and wag your tails with me? Let's go.